What's good guys, my name is Ishan and in today's video we're going over the best stock that's below $20 that you must buy. This is the ultimate stock under $20 that surprisingly no one is talking about. So as always, if you appreciate these short and value-packed videos, make sure to drop a quick sub and let's clock in. So real quick, some other callouts I've made include Appian stock, which is at over $90 a share as of me making this video. I called it the ultimate cloud stock way back when it was at $40 a share. Now it's up to $90 a share. Then other stocks like Simon Property Group that was up almost 30% this week alone, up to $80 a share from where I called it at $60, plus a ton of other picks. So I highly recommend you take a look at my last few videos about the best tech stocks to buy, because those aren't your generic tech stocks. Instead, they're companies with massive growth ahead, plus they've had solid corrections this week which you could buy into. Anyways, the stock of today that's the best stock under $20 is 8x8. And no, I'm not talking about dimensions or math. I'm talking about a company called 8x8 that provides a unified communications tool for businesses and a contact center as a service tool for companies as well. 8x8 products include cloud-based voice, contact center, video, mobile, and a unified communications business. And so they basically offer different communication services in an all-in-one package. It includes video conferencing, chat, and their 8x8X series product offers a variety of features for companies and businesses. Along with that, it can be integrated with a bunch of other applications like Teams, ServiceNow, and Salesforce. And this might sound like another company you might have heard of called Zoom, but 8x8 offers a unified collaboration tool package designed and focused solely for businesses. In fact, according to Synergy Research, United Communications as a Service, or also known as UCaaS, is growing at over 29% every year. And this is due to the fact that as more and more employees spend more time away from the office, UCaaS offers them to access the right tools and the right software wherever they are. In fact, the global UCaaS market size is projected to reach $36 billion by 2026, or essentially a 2x from 2018. The next part of their business, which I'm most excited about, which could provide them probably the most growth for their business, and in fact is their fastest growing segment of their business right now, is their contact as a service business. As businesses are aggressively shifting to operate from anywhere in the world and engage with customers remotely, the demand for cloud-based contact centers has risen sharply. So 8x8's products can direct customers to the best qualified agent with skills-based routing. They provide AI-based agents and bots that can answer questions, and all in all, the agent experience is also enhanced with connections to CRM systems and other enterprise solutions. This allows them to deliver a fully integrated omni-channel that's contextual, timely, and relevant to a customer's expectations. And so the three pillars for the future digital transformation are, first of all, the most important and biggest, cloud; second, IT security; and lastly, contact centers. Contact centers were previously seen as cost centers. The reason I say cost centers were because you had to hire agents, all these people to talk on the line, but now the value that call centers are bringing with the engagement, the opportunity to upsell on customers and build relationships with clients, call centers are now one of the areas where companies are spending the most amount of money, along with cloud and IT security. These are truly the three pillars towards the digital transformation of the future. Financial services, IT companies, all of these are using call centers now to grow their business further. The value add call centers add towards a company's growth is immense, and this is why a company like 8x8 is bound to take a massive advantage of this and see future growth explode in the next few years. And taking a look at 8x8's numbers overall, contact center new bookings grew 62% year over year and represented 32% of total new bookings in their last quarter. And overall, taking a look at the company's financials, they've been growing in the mid-20s to 30% range year over year each quarter, which is pretty impressive. And last quarter, which was their real first quarter where pandemic associated costs weren't that high, they managed to decrease their losses while at the same time increasing their revenue. But overall, they're still losing a lot of money, which is a red flag, but losses are slowly decreasing, and their CEO said in their conference call that they expect to reach non-GAAP pre-tax profitability by March 2021. And then compared to competitors like NICE or RingCentral, who's trading at a massive $24 billion market cap and a 25 price to sales, 8x8 is only a $1.9 billion company trading at a 3.9 price to sales. I'll admit, 8x8 really isn't a market leader, but taking a look at Gartner's Magic Quadrant last year, they were up there at the top in the niche area, and they're trying to expand their business. And so as profitability increases, steady growth continues, and the online shift only lifts them further, the stock will begin to reflect that as it already is. And my personal short-term price target is $25 to $30 within the next year. As for a quick technical analysis, we're currently trying to turn the $18 area where it had resistance before into support. If that fails, we could see the stock pull back to 17, and if it breaks that, then 15. Obviously, the market is highly unpredictable right now, but a pullback to $17 then a move higher seems like the likely scenario that will play out. But again, confirmation is key. You actually want to make sure that it turns the $17 area into support before buying. And so there you have it, guys, the best stock to buy below $20 a share. Make sure you like and subscribe, and let me know down below whether you plan to buy the stock or any other stocks you're watching. And be sure to check out my previous videos where I went over the top 3 tech stocks that will make you rich. I talk about great tech stocks and stocks in general on this channel, so make sure to keep up to date with it because we've had some insane picks. And let me know all of that down below, do all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys next time. Take it easy, clocking out for now. Peace.